Hey guys, so welcome back to day 13 and 14 of the 100-day challenge of DSA and MERN stack. Let me show you my day 13 progress. So on day 13, I solved this question, minimum operations to half the array sum. So here's the question. So basically in this question, you have to take the array elements and keep on reducing it to half until and unless the sum of the entire array, the sum of the original array is reduced by at least half. So as you can see, this is the question over here. So the catch is that you have to return the minimum number of operations. So the thing to note is that to solve this question, I need to take the highest element always, because if I take the smaller the element I take, I'm maximizing the number of operations. But I don't want to do that. I have to minimize the number of operations so that so I'll do that by taking the maximum, and after taking the maximum I'll subtract it from the original sum. So the more I subtract, the more I'm moving towards the minimum. You won't understand it right now by just me telling you. You will read the question, use your brain, and then you'll understand. So I solved this question. It was a good question. Again, I got stuck here and there, a few edge cases here and there, but overall I got just stuck over here that this thing did not come into my mind. Like, it is all optimal to have the largest element. So this thing did not came into my mind. So I needed to see that hint, but after seeing this hint, I almost did everything on my own. So yeah, this question, I solved this question. It was medium problem on heap. So yeah, I did that, heap and greedy approach. So it was a good question. I did that. So, and on the day 14, I solved a lot of easy problems. I did not do medium problems. So this was the problem of the day. It is very easy. Minimum common value, this is also very easy. So let me show you this question, minimum common value question. Wait, what was this question? Yeah, so we have two arrays and we have to find out the least element which is common to the least element in magnitude which is common to both the arrays. So it is very easy, just intersection of two arrays and you have to return the least element, right? It is very easy, nothing, just use a two-pointer approach and it will be happen. This was also a problem of a day and I did that. So yeah, this was my lead code DSA journey of day 13 and 14. I did not watch anything from the IBM playlist. I will continue to do so. So yeah, this was that. And so I'm also currently revising my DP notes which I made, my dynamic programming notes which I made during watching the Strivers dynamic programming playlist. I'm currently revising those notes, right? Because I have to revise dynamic programming and greedy. So my plan for the next 3 to 4 months is to consistently become good in greedy and dynamic programming and the recursion thing, these advanced DSA concepts. So I plan on mastering these concepts in the next 3 to 4 months. And for array and strings and the above easy medium sections like array, string, linked list, I'll just continue solving the problem of the day from here and there. But my major focus is to become good at these complicated topics, because the market is really difficult now and I have to stand out by solving more complicated things, right? So that's my plan. That's why I've started revising DP. I'll continue to do so and continue to solve problems. So yeah, this was my DSA progress. I'm not satisfied because I'm still having problems coming up with solutions, because my this part is very weak, the recursion, greedy and DP part. I'll strengthen this in the next 3 to 4 months, right? So this is over here, and I've watched, and coming to the MERN stack part, I've watched this mock interview fully. It was a mock interview and I've watched it completely. As I said, I'm continuously watching mock interviews to brush up what I've learned in the last 2.5 to 3 months of my web development journey, right? So I've completed this video. It consisted of questions on HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It was a mock interview. This is the guy taking the interview, and this is a guy who has 1 year of experience. So yeah, I also watched experienced people in interviews, so that it gives me a lot of insight on the concepts. So I completed this, and I have also made progress on the chai and backend playlist which I said I was watching. Let me show you chai and backend. One second, where is the playlist? I have watched around now here I'm learning to connect the database to my project, to my local project. This guy is very professional. He teaches all the professional approach. So yeah, I'm in this video, how to connect database in the MERN stack. I've completed 20 minutes now. Remaining 20 minutes I'll complete today before sleeping. right? So this is my MERN stack progress. It's not much, but I have to gear up in terms of MERN stack. As I said, I'm also revising the previous concepts. I've shown you this DP thing and this GitHub thing, my contributions. Let me show you my contributions on GitHub. Yeah, so these are my GitHub contributions. I'm learning continuously. Today I did not today, as I said, I was watching that mock interview, so I did not have any contributions today, but I'll continue to do so now. So as you can see, it's good. It's nothing great, but yeah, at least it's better than nothing. So I want to talk about an important issue, guys. So let me know if I should talk about it in this video, related to the current tech industry, the job market and everything. Why are people not getting jobs? Why are they so underskilled? Why people don't want to work hard to crack a job? So I'm thinking about making a video on these topics. I myself haven't cracked the job, but the main thing is the mindset. In spite of like in my college, I belong from a tier 3 college. I don't study in an IIT, but people in my college are so scared. They don't that they Many of them are considering leaving this field, the IT field. They want to go for an MBA or want to pursue masters or do something else. So but I'm telling you this because at least I know, I have that confidence that I will crack a job, some job, even if it is a 15 to 20,000 job. I'll do that. I'll crack a job. I have confidence on my skills, but a lot of people are not even trying. So I'm thinking about making a video to address this issue. So I'll probably make this video tomorrow, just to share my thoughts with my phone. I don't care about the views. I don't care who will watch, because I just feel like venting out. So yeah, I'll just highlight some important points. So if you like this video, so you can continue watching as I go ahead in my journey. I'll meet you at day 15 and 16. Okay, goodbye. See you next time.